Today, we have an exciting showdown between two popular touring tires, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the Dunlop Sport BluResponse. Both of these tires are well regarded in the touring category, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into the performance metrics to find out. First up, let's talk about wet performance. In wet braking, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus stops in 43.3 meters, outperforming the Dunlop Sport BluResponse, which takes 46.9 meters. That's a difference of 3.6 meters, a crucial factor in emergency braking situations. During wet handling, the Primacy 4 Plus maintains an average speed of 74.5 kilometers per hour, slightly better than the Sport BluResponse speed of 73.3. On the wet circle test, the Primacy 4 Plus achieves a speed of 6.24 meters per second, surpassing the Sport BluResponse speed of 5.92. Moving on to dry performance, the Primacy 4 Plus also excels. It stops in 36.3 meters in dry braking, marginally outperforming the Sport BluResponse's 36.9 meters. For dry handling, the Primacy 4 Plus maintains an average speed of 115.1 kilometers per hour, just ahead of the Sport BluResponse speed of 114.6 kilometers per hour. Next, let's discuss mileage. The Michelin Primacy 4 Plus boasts an impressive lifespan of 38,950 kilometers, whereas the Sport BluResponse falls short at 27,600 kilometers. This substantial difference of 11,350 kilometers highlights the superior durability of the Michelin tire. In terms of exterior noise, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus is quieter, producing 72.7 decibels compared to the Dunlop Sport BluResponse's 73.8 decibels. A quieter tire contributes to a more comfortable driving experience. However, when it comes to rolling resistance, the Dunlop Sport BluResponse performs better, with a resistance coefficient of 7.48 compared to the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus 8.16 coefficient value. Lower rolling resistance means better fuel efficiency. In summary, the Dunlop Sport BluResponse offers lower rolling resistance, ideal for eco-conscious drivers, while the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus excels in critical performance areas such as wet, dry, and mileage, making it the superior choice for drivers seeking safety, longevity, and reliability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.